Hey guys, sorry it's been a while. I just wanted to say 3 things before I start. One, I filmed this video last year because it took a long time to make. I wanted to catch the entire process, it just took a while. I also had a different camera last year, so if you see a difference in quality, that is why. Second, I was also giving off a bit of a different energy here, and I'm aware of that. I don't know why it didn't look like I was totally excited, because I was. I guess I might just be more comfortable in front of the camera now than I was then. And the last thing is just the verse of the day, also because I didn't do that then. Today's verse of the day just comes from Colossians 3:17, which says, "And whatever you do, whether in word or in deed, do it all in the name of the Lord Jesus, giving thanks to God the Father through him." I tried to encapsulate peace in this room with all the green and plants and everything, so I hope if you're watching this for inspiration for your room or just for the peaceful aspect of it, the best way to do that is by bringing the Lord in whatever you're doing, so just include him in the process, and that's what I tried to do here. So now that that is all said, I hope you guys love the video and love seeing this whole transformation with my room. Bye. Hello you guys, thank you for tuning back in. If you're new, my name is Faith and this is my room. So as some of you guys may know, I was actually going to do a room makeover video and kind of show you the whole process of how I changed my room, but it took a little bit longer just because of the pandemic and everything, and I wanted to get my room just right, but I didn't want to start filming and then completely change it up and be like, what happened? Your room looks totally different. So I just decided to finish it up over the months and just reveal you guys what it looks like. So that's what we're doing now. If you guys have seen my room before in past videos, but this is how my room looked before. I had pink and gray walls and just different decorations, so I'm gonna kind of walk you around and what it looks like now. So this is the first wall that I did. This wall just has my desk here. This is where I do the majority of my, I don't want to call it office work, but kind of like serious work, I guess. I just have my laptop and my iPad here, and I have like some sticky notes for like writing down points that I want to get done in my day. Fake plant over here because it's too far from my window to be a real plant. I have a lovely little swivel chair, and I just put a yellow pillow here just to give it some color. This is where I get stuff done. This is where I edit videos. It's nice to just get up and plan out my day, kind of just sit here and do some things. Over on this side of things, I just have some of my favorite fiction books since I really like reading, and my college mug. I don't know why, I just kind of put that there. I also have some perfumes and another fake plant. This is where I keep like the rest of my pants and just some purses, and I also have some notebooks, some yearbooks and stuff like that. I keep some bags here, but I actually have the rest like in my closet, and then I keep all of my shoes, maybe like my heels and stuff, just at the top there. I have some shorts here and some other shorts like biker shorts and stuff over here. I keep the rest of my books that I like to read that are kind of like non-fiction, business, or like habits. I don't know what to call that genre of books, but just like self-improvement kind of books I keep here. This area over here is just where my dresser is, and kind of like one of the first things you see when you come in my room besides my bed. I just have like my clothes in here. This is where I keep the majority of my t-shirts and stuff, scarves, socks, and just like random stuff bottom drawer there. I also have like this little salt lamp that I like to use at night when I'm reading, or I just don't want to turn on the lights at night, but I just want like a little night light on. So over here I have my diffuser. I have some pens so I could write down anything that I need to do for the day or the week. I have my jewelry holder. I have like my earrings, necklaces, and stuff like that. Another fake plant because it's too far from my window. And then I have this lamp here. I really like the top even though it's way too small. This little leaf thing, I just had a piece of a fake plant. I didn't know what to do with it, so I just wrapped it around. Then I have a jewelry holder here for like my rings and stuff, and then a little frame here that just says beauty begins the moment you decide to be yourself. And yeah, this big black mirror here, I thought it looked really nice to have some black accents in my room. By the way, I totally forgot to mention, I have this like extra closet space here, but I just have extra clothes in here. I have like all my long skirts and everything, and dresses, just some like blankets, bag stuff down there. So yeah, that's all in here. This is my bed here. These green bed sheets here are by KAS Australia. I have some green pillows to match, a leopard pillow, vintage kind of, I don't know, ancient vibe kind of looking pillow. I also have this wooden shelf me and my dad made together, and it was just inspired off of Pinterest. I have some black accents, some fake plants up there, and then I have like these two vision boards that I had made. I kind of just hung them over here because I thought they looked really good. I also have this little cart right here that I had actually got from Home Goods, and I love this thing. I definitely suggest having like a cart by your bed if you don't have a little bedside table or anything. It just helps me with storage and it's easier to reach things. I have my little gratitude journal that I write in. I also have waters, more waters because I drink a lot of water, headscarves and stuff that I wear when I'm praying. And then I have a little compartment for like my tech stuff. I have little things like my AirPods, chapsticks, some hand lotion, and yeah, that's kind of this whole situation here. And yeah, oh my gosh, I totally forgot. The first real plant you guys are seeing, my little pothos. It's doing pretty good there. I like it because I get to wake up and roll over and I see that, and it's really nice. I'm just gonna quickly go over what plants I have. This is just a golden pothos, the same one as the one that I have by my salt lamp. I have a little aloe vera here, bamboo, more bamboo, baby elephant bush, a little yellow top cactus, and a mama elephant bush. She's gigantic. This is like 1 year of growth starting from like here. I set them all here and I just water them once a week and they do pretty fine. I think that it just reminds me of nature, especially in the east where winter gets so cold and it feels so long. These last throughout the winter. I just close my window so I wake up and I still feel like I'm in a forest and it's fine. I got these when I really had like a huge love for plants. Now I kind of have just like an average love for plants, but it's still really nice to see, and it's nice to see how other people feel when they come in my room and kind of just feel at peace, which is really awesome because that's how I wanted this room to feel. It's so weird having lights up because I haven't had lights up in months, so this is kind of exciting. This is the last wall of my room, and this is just my closet here. I have some fairy lights. I also have like a little light. It's just like one of these switch lights. Yeah, these are obviously just my clothes, coats, sweaters, just regular long sleeve shirts, some flowy pants, some skirts, and like my summer shirts down here. I keep all of my purses over here. This is my mirror that when I get changed, I kind of just look over here, and I have a little seat over here too, which is really nice. It's kind of like your own little walk-in closet without the walk-in. You got like a sitting area, mirror, and a closet. So I have some art over here that I have done. It just brings more color into the room. And now the final area, which is just to the left of my closet. This is my dresser here. I have this lamp here that I got from Home Goods. I really like it. There's something about soft lighting that I really like during the evening meantime, I could just turn this on. I also have this cute little bohemian looking box. I keep just like some hair clips in there, some headbands, hair ties. I have this little fake plant which actually comes like this, but I actually made this in my ceramics class. I just put the plant in it like that. I have my vision board that I made for you guys. My other vision board, this is the first one I've ever made, and I really like it. It's just motivating to look at. And then this is like a fake plant here that I like. It just adds some life to this whole array here. That is pretty much all for my room tour. I hope you guys just enjoyed finally formally seeing my new room. I know that I wanted to get this out way earlier, but the process just took a little bit longer than I thought. I wanted to show you guys when it was done, but I realized I never stopped changing my room, so I might as well just show you guys where it's at right now. Most of these came from like Home Goods, but if there's anything in here that you want to know where it's from, leave a comment down below and I will do my best to answer every comment, so definitely leave a comment down below. I hope you guys stay tuned. I have some really exciting stuff for you guys coming, so if you aren't, subscribe and like and share this video to anybody that you know likes this kind of bohemian style. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed finally seeing my room. I'll see you guys in my next video. Love you guys so much. Bye. Kind of like my art that I have done and that I hope to release to some of you guys. You know, let me not say that. I have this little link. Obviously, oh my god, technology is going crazy today.